Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. I'm with Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and this is a kind of gender-bent Hellboy. So this is a female version cosplay of Hellboy. If you guys would like to see how to create this look, then just keep watching. So getting started, let's first cover my hair with a black wig cap. Once that's in place, I'm going to pop in some crazy yellow contact lenses, just like Hellboy has, to really pull the look together. Now, I've got some prosthetic horns that I'm going to be applying with spirit gum, and I'm just going to apply it around the edges of the prosthetic and apply them to my forehead where I would like them to sit. Now comes the very long process of covering my entire face, neck, and the horns with red paint. Now, I do suggest doing this with like 2 or 3 layers to really get a caked on red look. So I didn't want to film 3 layers, but I did 3 layers of paint. Now for the eyebrows, I took some black body paint as well, and a very fine tip angled brush to create the eyebrows. Now keeping the inner corner very light and soft, and then harsher, more prominent brow on the edges. Don't forget to do the other brow. Now for the makeup of the eyes, I just did a very dark black smoky eye. So fluffy brush, some black eyeshadow, and smear that, blend it all over the eye, and you've got that gorgeous smoky eye. Now with a fine brush again and some black eyeshadow, I'm just defining the inner corner and bringing it to a point a bit more, and also lining the lower lash line. For the lips, I'll be using a matte black lipstick to finish up the look of the makeup, and just applying it like so, overdrawing the lips. Next, it's on to contouring. So with some black eyeshadow and a big fluffy brush, I'm just contouring my cheekbones and all along my jawline to really bring some depth and dimension into this makeup look so it's not just all red. Now for the wig, I'm going in with this gorgeous curly wig from Wholesale Halloween Costumes, and I'm popping it on like so, and then styling it how I would like it to look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to Wholesale Halloween Costumes, as well as check out my channel, Caitlyn Kreklewich, for more looks like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!